Grabe naman po sa China. Ang mango nila, grabe kalaki at wala pong buto. At yung sugar cane nila, pwedeng talupan. Gamit lang ang kamay, napakalambot. Kakaiba po yung mga prutas sa China. Parang hindi totoo. Panoorin po natin.
In China, they eat real fruit, while we only eat grass and weeds. Firstly, here, compared to sugarcane, Chinese sugarcane is so soft that instead of using teeth, we can even break it with our hands. Secondly, Chinese oranges are even sweeter than honey. If you apply even a slight pressure on them, you'll get as much juice as in a glass. Thirdly, Chinese mangoes are so big and fresh that they don't even have seeds inside. Just cut the mango and eat it. Lastly, if you ever try Chinese lychee, just go to a Chinese road and pluck one. Even if you pluck one by one, your stomach will be full. By the way, tell us what your favorite fruit is in the comments.
Grabe, ikaw na, China, ang malalaki prutas.